In this video, we're getting straight to how you can fix a busted pipe to your outdoor hose without needing to be a plumbing pro or spend a ton on a plumber. Alright, so first off, if your outdoor hose pipe is busted, chances are it froze during winter and just gave up. What you want to do is start by turning off the main water supply to avoid any flooding drama. Then, drain all the water from the pipe by opening that outdoor spigot and letting it run dry. If you spot mouse droppings around, that might mean you've got some little critters gnawing on your pipes or insulation, so keep an eye on that and maybe set some traps or call pest control, cause mice can cause more damage than just leaving droppings. Now, to actually fix the pipe, you can cut out the damaged section with a pipe cutter or a hacksaw. Make sure the cut is clean and straight. After that, grab a frost-free hose bib, which is designed to prevent freezing by shutting off water inside your house where it's warm. When installing the new bib, slope the pipe slightly downward towards the house so any leftover water drains back inside instead of freezing outside. Don't forget to insulate the new pipe and disconnect hoses before winter next time to avoid this mess again. If it sounds like a lot, no worries, it's totally doable with some patience and the right tools. One of the biggest mistakes I see folks make when fixing outdoor hose pipes is not shutting off the main water supply first, which leads to water everywhere and extra headaches. Another common issue is reusing old or damaged pipes instead of cutting them out completely, which just sets you up for another burst down the line. And a third one? Forgetting to slope the pipe properly so water can drain out. That's what causes freezing and bursting in the first place. Just take it step by step, double check your cuts and fittings, and make sure everything's tight but not over-tightened. BigHomeProjects.com is super handy if you want to skip the DIY stress and connect with trusted local contractors who know their stuff about plumbing repairs. Plus, if you're a contractor yourself, it's a solid way to find jobs and build your client base easily without wasting time hunting for leads.